We're going to the resort now. And hey, say hi! This is video! Ay, video mo nga, Ivy! Hey, this is video! Kenneth!
Hindi natin nakita ang dulo na yun. Ano, hindi natin nakita ang dulo?
Video mo kami pa.
Ate, pakit kayo parang...
Game na gato. So, I sing this song to all of our age. Adamson, hi! Say hi! Hi! Ni hi! Ay, sa YouTube ha! Sa YouTube ha!
Patay sumikat.
Mi hi hi!
Mi hi hi! Mi hi hi!
Eba!
Oh, what's that?
Oy, Eba!
Yeah. Let's go. Takbo, takbo! Eva Ponda! Yeah? Eva Ponda. Eva Ponda. Yun! The urchins!
Archings.
Ha? It's past few days. Meron nga din doon sa nakita ko kanina.
Nasaan?
It's past 9:35. Yup, it's 9:35. In the evening. It's past few days.
Ano man, 35 na, Ibe? Ay, ba, ano ka?
Puro likod ang nakikita ko.
Anong oras na?
9:35!
Bilang mo pala. Say cheese.
Hi! Ang itim ng likod mo, bade. Wow! It's far-sighted. Mga grammar din eh.
Kung kaya ka lang buhangin doon.
Nagtagalog na.
And this stone, you know,
Hindi mo na
stone is very big.
Big. Big.
I will throw the stone!
Big. Pa-spell nga.
English Carabao.
Jabel, ikaw naman. Okay nga, lay na.
Tatla lang nga. Jericho Rosales. Aldo. Hi, Mihai. We're now going to the resort. And it's, you know, there's so many stones here. And it's hard to... Can you see the ocean is very bluish? Very bluish. This is my cousins, Camille. Camille, say hi! And this is my cousin too. My cousin too. That's my brother, Kenneth. Kenneth! Say hi! Say ho ho ho! Say hey hey ho!
DJ Jubel.
Say wow! I know.
No entry.
It's really hard to walk, you know. It's because of stones and puro unguli.
It's hard to walk because Tummy hurt.
Ano pa tinatawag niyo? Halik ka dito.
200.
Ganito be. What's this? Stone? Ah!
So many kettles here.
Hello. Yeah, we're almost here, you know.
Almost have it all.
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
We almost have it all.
We almost have it. Bye-bye.